Guys, welcome back to Zozo Pops. Today we are going to be making chicken noodle vegetable soup. So your ingredients will be some chicken noodle soup, some broccoli, celery, onions, and we're also going to be making some sandwiches as well. So for the chicken noodle soup, you will also be needing rice and some seasoning. And for the sandwiches, you'll need lettuce, cheese, ham, or whatever. You'll need 1 cup of rice, and you'll need a pan and water. We have 2 packets of chicken noodle soup, and we also have chicken too, so yeah. So we're gonna be adding 8 cups of water. So this is my last one. So now that that's all done, we're gonna be adding the broccoli, the celery, and onions, and then we're gonna be adding the spices. So first we're gonna add in the broccoli. Now we're gonna be adding the celery and onions. And don't forget to wash your hands before. Now that's all done. First we'll be starting off with some garlic and herb. And you can add whatever kind of spices you would like. Onion, salt. Some basil. Always need to have basil. Seasoning, salt now. And you don't have to add all of the ones that we're adding. You don't have to add any of them if you don't have them or if you don't want them in it. And this one was in Italian, sorry. Roasted garlic and peppers is the next one. So that's all the seasoning, and now we're gonna boil it. But first we have to mix, and then we'll boil. So I'll see you later. Next we're gonna be making the sandwiches. We have some rye bread, and then we have some turkey, and some beef.
Pastrami.
We're gonna be adding some mayo and mustard. This is mustard. Mayo. It's done boiling. We're gonna add the chicken noodle and the rice. As you can see, we started to do the sandwiches. My sister's already eating it. Now we're gonna wait for the soup to cook, and then that's all we're waiting on for. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, and I've already finished my sandwich. It was good. Good. You should comment if you tried this recipe or not. I hope you liked this video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you. And we'll see you later. See you later. Say bye.
Bye.